Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again. Hope everyone's doing okay. Looking forward to heading off up into the mountains tonight. Just behind me, Mount Glaramara. Hoping to get up to the summit and find somewhere to pitch my tent for the night. Been really lucky. We've got some really nice weather today. You can see the skies are practically clear. There's barely a cloud in sight. So hoping to be trekked to a nice sunset tonight, and hopefully we'll get a nice view of the stars. And we're supposed to be getting a full moon tonight as well. So yeah, looking forward to seeing that. I'm conscious that there's some really high winds forecast tonight up on the summit, sort of anywhere up to 40-50 mile an hour gusts. So I just have to be mindful about where I'm setting up my tent. Just have a look around for the best spot. We're supposed to have winds coming from the south, so yeah, just taking that into consideration when I'm pitching up tonight. I've got a few new bits of gear that I'm looking forward to testing out as well. I've got some new shoes as well that I'm trying for the first time today. So we'll see how we get on with those. And yeah, really looking forward to getting up there. So I think the walk should be about 2.5 hours, anywhere up to 3 hours. So see how we get on, and then I'll probably check in with you guys on the way up. So I think I found a spot that I'm mostly happy with. It is sheltered from the worst of the wind. I did try heading over just towards the other side of the mountain there, and there was quite a lot of wind, so made the decision to stay up on this side of the mountain and look for somewhere to pitch up, because if I tried pitching over on the other side, I don't think I would have stood a chance, to be honest. The winds are definitely true to the forecast, sort of 40 mile an hour I think. So yeah, the wind is a bit blustery here, but I'm hoping that it doesn't get too bad through the night. It is forecast to stay pretty persistent, so we'll see how we get on. It should be a bit of a test for the old MSR tent. But yeah, I'm tired after that walk, so yeah, I want to get myself set up as soon as possible and think about getting myself some warm drink on the go. And yeah, I've got a beer with me as well, so I'll probably sit and enjoy that before I think about getting some food on the go. So that's me all set up for the night. Show you a quick look around. My sleeping setup. I've got the OEX Leviathan down-filled sleeping bag. It's rated down into negative temperatures, so I've been using this through the winter months, and it's always done a good job of keeping me warm in the middle of the night. So the only thing I would say is it does seem to lose its feathers quite easily. You can see there's quite a few feathers on my pillow there that have come out, and just on the bottom of my tent there you can see a lot of the feathers that have come out. I don't think it should be too much of an issue, but if I start losing more, it's something to keep an eye on. I'm using the Thermarest NeoAir Xlite sleeping mat, the large version. Gives me plenty of room to roll around in the middle of the night. And the Sea to Summit pillow. It's got this soft fabric on the top, which is nice. Keeps you nice and cosy in the middle of the night. So yeah, it's supposed to drop down to -2 degrees tonight, so it is going to be a cold one. I'm confident I'll be nice and warm. How's that for a view? I've had a couple of people ask me about these chairs that I brought out with me on previous wild camps. To be honest, I'm not sure you can still buy them anymore. My wife picked them up in the special section of Aldi. I think they were 25 quid. To be honest, they're pretty decent. I mean, for the price, I think they weigh just under a kilogram. And a lot of people would argue that these are creature comfort when you're out on trips like this, but to be honest, I don't mind carrying that extra bit of weight to have something comfortable to sit on at the end of the trip, you know. Especially when you've been on your legs all day and you just want something nice to sit and relax on. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. I know there are more expensive versions out there, but it's just whether you're willing to pay that extra to get something a little bit lighter, which, to be honest, for me, I'm not overly fussed. I think one day I might invest in a more expensive one, but for now, these are doing the trick pretty well for me, so I'll keep using it. I was going to wait for my meal to have this, but I think I deserve it. Cheers, everyone. What a view. Sunset just over there. You can see the colours in the sky. Beautiful. So I'm just sat back relaxing, taking in the view now. So I've had my tea already and just wanted something easy. As you've seen, I just had one of those pouch meals, which, to be honest, for me, when I've been on a 2.5 hour, 3 hour hike, it's ideal. The last thing I want to be doing is messing around cooking complicated meals, so they do the trick for me just fine. So the other week I went out and bought one of those Jetboil stores and not regretted it at all, to be honest. I've used it a couple of times and it's fantastic how quickly you can boil up a lot of water, and it's good for those pouch meals, just getting them cooked within a few minutes. So yeah, just something easy, and now I'm just sat back taking in the view. We've had a wonderful sunset tonight, as you can see. Managed to get a couple of nice shots of that, and yeah, just been sat taking it all in, really. So if you ever wonder why I do these things, this is exactly it, you know. After a long day, just being able to sit up in the mountains and complete silence, nothing but yourself and your own thoughts, it's a really great experience. I definitely recommend it to anyone who's considered it. So yeah, just gonna sit for a little bit longer. It is starting to get cold now, so probably think about getting wrapped up a bit more. But yeah, it's been a great day. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll probably catch back in with you guys shortly. So that's me in the tent now. Decided to retreat as the temperature was starting to drop a little bit outside, and just thought I'd just come in and try and keep myself warmed up and get in my sleeping bag. And yeah, I'm gonna try these down boots the wife got me for Christmas. They're made by Rab. I'm hoping they'll do a job of keeping my feet warm in my sleeping bag throughout the night. Get some foot warmers in there as well, and they should be nice and toasty. But yeah, luckily the wind doesn't seem to be as bad as I thought it was going to be. I do fully anticipate that it's going to probably get worse throughout the night though, so I have bought some earplugs with me just to help me with the noise and getting off to sleep. And yeah, just going to get my head down now, and I'll probably check back in with you guys in the morning. Good morning everyone. I'll be honest, I didn't have the greatest night's sleep last night. I was kept awake by the persistent wind hitting up against the side of the tent. It was less than ideal, but I did manage to get a couple of hours sleep, so it's not too bad. And I woke up this morning and I've been treated to this beautiful sunrise that you can see just behind me here. So feeling really lucky about that. And yeah, just thinking about getting some breakfast on the go now. Just gonna have some porridge and a coffee before I think about heading back down. So that's everything packed away now. All my rubbish and mess has it's all been bagged away, and I'll take that back with me to the car. Make sure I leave everything as it was when I got here. But yeah, that's probably me more or less done now. I've got no storage left on my camera, so yeah, it's worked out pretty well. But yeah, I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who's been watching the videos. I really appreciate it, and as always, if you did enjoy, if you could give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, that would be really appreciated. And until the next one, guys, I hope you all take care and have a good one.